Overloaded and underpowered? Find the ultimate solution to your charging woes. Too many devices, too few outlets. In today's tech-driven world, we're surrounded by devices, laptops, phones, tablets, gaming consoles, but finding enough outlets to power them all feels like a constant battle. How often have you had to unplug one gadget just to charge another? Worse, tangled cords and bulky adapters make organizing a nightmare. For anyone tired of outlet shortages and messy setups, the search for a better way is over. The SUPERDANNY Surge Protector is here to revolutionize your charging game with its 22 AC outlets and 6 USB ports. The days of compromise are gone. Charge everything, all at once, with ease. A safe, reliable power hub. Finding a power strip that can handle multiple high-power devices while ensuring safety is no small feat. Cheap, unreliable strips can overheat, short-circuit, or fail to protect your valuable electronics during a surge. The SUPERDANNY Surge Protector is designed with 8 layers of safety protection, including 2100 Joule surge protection and fire-retardant casing, to keep your devices safe and your mind at ease. FCC, RoHS, and UL certifications back its reliability. No more worrying about fried gadgets or dangerous malfunctions. This power strip has you covered, making it the ultimate companion for your high-powered setup. Smarter charging for modern needs. Not all outlets are created equal, and neither are charging ports. The SUPERDANNY takes charging to the next level with smart USB technology that detects your devices and delivers optimal power. With 5 USB-A and 1 USB-C ports, you can charge smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices quickly and efficiently, without needing separate adapters. The widely spaced outlets prevent bulky plugs from blocking one another, ensuring every device gets its turn. Whether you're powering a gaming setup, home office, or media center, this power hub is built for convenience, speed, and seamless performance. Organized and hassle-free. Picture this. No more tangled cords, no more wrestling with plugs, and no more searching for extra outlets. SUPERDANNY's thoughtful design, including a 6.5 feet flat plug cord and mountable keyholes, lets you set up a clean, organized charging station anywhere, on your desk, mounted on a wall, or even behind furniture. Anti-slip mats keep it stable, while the included cable fastener tidies up loose cords. With every detail designed for usability and convenience, this isn't just a power strip, it's a productivity enhancer. It transforms cluttered chaos into a streamlined, efficient power solution for your space. A power strip that delivers more. SUPERDANNY isn't just another power strip, it's the answer to your charging problems. Built to last with a durable, heavy-duty design and backed by a 1,000-day warranty, it's an investment in safety, reliability, and peace of mind. Unlike ordinary strips, it combines sheer power, intelligent design, and unmatched versatility to support every gadget you own. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or simply someone with a lot of devices, SUPERDANNY brings order to your tech life. Stop settling for less and upgrade to a power strip that truly powers your world, without compromise.